Navy SEALs use this eye technique to read people in combat. Most men use it wrong on dates, and she calls them creepy. You've felt it. That moment when you're talking to her and you don't know where to look. Hold eye contact too long? Intense. Creepy. Aggressive. Look away too much? Weak. Unconfident. Nervous. So you panic. You overthink, and she feels it. But there's a pattern, a rhythm, something most men will never learn because nobody teaches them. It's called the triangle method, and it's not about staring into her soul. It's about creating trust without saying a word. Here's how it works. Imagine her face is a triangle. Left eye, right eye, mouth. Eye, mouth. That's the pattern. You move your gaze slowly between these 3 points, not randomly, not fast, slowly, like breathing. When you lock on to both her eyes for too long, her brain registers dominance. That's why it feels uncomfortable. But when you shift eye to mouth, her brain reads it as curiosity, interest, connection. Now here's the part most guys mess up. And it's the difference between attraction and restraining orders. Timing. You don't use the triangle method when you first meet her. That's try hard. That's forced. You use it when she's already talking, when she's invested, when the conversation has momentum. That's when you apply the triangle. And here's what she'll never admit. She notices. She feels the difference between a guy who's present and a guy who's pretending. The triangle makes you look like you're listening with your entire body, like she's the only person in the room. A stoic man doesn't force connection. He doesn't perform. He observes. He's calm in silence, comfortable in stillness. The triangle method isn't a trick. It's a tool. It helps you stay grounded when your nervous system wants to scatter. Eye, mouth, breathe, reset, repeat. You're not trying to seduce her, you're simply present. And that's what she's been waiting for. Here's the drill. Practice this tonight. Put on a podcast, a TED Talk, anything with a face on screen. Watch their left eye for 2 seconds. Shift to their right eye for 2 seconds. Drop to their mouth for 1 second. Repeat. Do this for 5 minutes. Your brain will start to automate it. And when you're sitting across from her at dinner, you won't have to think. You'll just flow. Now here's what happens when you get good at this. She starts leaning in. Her body language opens. She touches her hair, her neck, her collarbone. Not because you're using some manipulative tactic, but because you made her feel seen. And that's rare. Most men look at women. Few actually see them. The average guy, he's either locked on her chest, avoiding her eyes entirely, or death staring like he's about to propose. None of that is presence, it's panic. But you move with rhythm. You breathe, you use the triangle like a metronome, and she feels the difference. Here's the advanced move. When she says something vulnerable, something real, hold her left eye, just for a moment, 2 seconds longer than usual. Then drop to the triangle again. That pause, that's where intimacy lives. But listen, don't overuse this. Don't sit there like a robot cycling through her face. The triangle works because it's natural, because it mirrors how humans actually connect. If you force it, she'll feel it, and you'll lose her. Here's what nobody tells you. The triangle method isn't really about her, it's about you. It's about training yourself to be calm under pressure, to stay present when your mind wants to race, to look at someone without needing anything from them. And when you master that, eye contact stops being a technique. It becomes who you are. A man who doesn't flinch, doesn't perform, doesn't need validation, just exists, fully, confidently, right there in the moment. And that's what she's been searching for all along. So tell me, Have you ever felt that tension? That moment where you didn't know where to look? Drop a comment. Let me know if this changes the way you show up.